Ever wondered how you can break free from living paycheck to paycheck? Welcome to a journey of financial liberation where dreams transform into reality. We're about to delve into the ultimate guide of financial independence. Imagine a life where money doesn't dictate your decisions, but rather empowers them. Whether it's globetrotting, acquiring your dream home, or simply living stress-free, financial independence means your money is your loyal servant, not a demanding master. Now let's dive into the first step to financial independence: understanding your financial landscape. You're ready to embark on a journey to financial freedom, but first, you need to know where you stand. Understanding your current financial landscape is like setting up a map for your journey. You wouldn't set off on a road trip without knowing your starting point, would you? The same principle applies to your path to financial independence. To get started, it's essential to look at three key areas: your income, your debts, and your spending habits. These elements form the core of your financial landscape. Your income is your fuel. Your debts are the obstacles you need to navigate, and your spending habits are the driving habits that will either speed up or slow down your journey. So, let's get real about where your money is going. Grab your bank statements, your bills, your credit card receipts. It might feel a little overwhelming at first, but remember, knowledge is power. Once you have your financial landscape clear, the next step is to draft your roadmap to success. With a clear understanding of your financial landscape, you're ready to set specific, achievable goals. Think of drafting your financial roadmap as an exciting journey towards your desired destination, financial independence. This is where the magic starts to happen. It's time to dream big, but also be realistic. The best goals are those that challenge you, yet remain within your grasp. Whether your goal is to pay off your debt, build an emergency fund, or start investing for your future, ensure it's clearly defined. Remember, vague goals lead to vague results. So don't just aim to save more money. Instead, aim to save $200 every month. Now it's time to create a plan. This is your step-by-step guide to achieving your goals. It's your roadmap to success. It might involve cutting back on non-essential expenses, increasing your income, or investing wisely. With your roadmap ready, the next tool you need is a budget. Budgeting is not about restricting your life, it's about taking control of your finances. Think of budgeting as a game plan, a strategy that helps you allocate your income so you can meet your financial goals without breaking a sweat. It's like having a personal financial GPS that helps you navigate through your expenses, savings, and investments. A budget can show you where your money is going, highlight areas where you might be overspending, and even uncover hidden cash flow. It can be an eye-opening experience that can truly transform your financial journey. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to budgeting. Some folks swear by the envelope system, others prefer zero-based budgeting. And some find success with the 50-30-20 rule. The key is to find a method that aligns with your lifestyle, habits, and financial goals. Remember, a budget isn't set in stone, it's a flexible tool that should evolve with your changing needs and goals. Now that you have a budget, let's explore ways to increase your income. Serious about going from broke to baller? Consider increasing your income. Now you might be thinking, easier said than done, right? But you'd be surprised how many opportunities you're surrounded by. Let's explore some. Firstly, side hustles. This could be anything from flipping secondhand goods online to dog walking to tutoring. The beauty of a side hustle is that it's flexible. You decide when and how much you want to work. Next, freelancing. Got a skill others could benefit from? Maybe you're a wizard at graphic design or a whiz at writing. Freelancing platforms can connect you with clients who need your skills, and the best part is you can work from anywhere. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a raise. If you've been working tirelessly, hitting targets, and showing initiative, it might be time to discuss your worth with your employer. With a higher income, you're ready to take the next step: investing. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step towards financial independence. Think of investing as planting seeds for your future wealth. You start by learning the basics: stocks, bonds, mutual funds. There's a world of options out there, each with its own risk and reward. Now, the magic word here is start. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about having a huge sum to invest, it's about giving your money the time to multiply. This is where the beauty of compound interest comes in. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. With each passing year, your investments don't just grow, they grow exponentially. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy to make your money work for you. You're well on your way to financial independence. Keep going. The path from broke to baller isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. That's the key takeaway from our journey today. We've covered a lot of ground, from mapping out your financial landscape to drafting a roadmap for your money. We've explored ways to budget for financial freedom and strategies to increase your income. And we've also delved into the world of investing, a crucial step towards financial independence. Remember, the road to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about persistence, patience, and consistent effort. It's about making informed choices and sticking to your plan even when the going gets tough. And it's about learning, always learning, about money, about finances, and about how to make your money work for you. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Paid off a credit card, that's a win. Saved up your first $1,000, that's a win too. Every step you take towards financial independence, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Above all, remember why you started this journey. Envision the life you're working towards, a life where money is a tool, not a stressor, a life where you're free to live on your own terms, to pursue your passions and your dreams. You've got the map, the tools, and the drive to achieve financial independence. Now it's time to take action. Remember, we're here to support you every step of the way.